G'day. If you've got an early model iPhone and use Telstra as your phone provider, you very well may be experiencing an issue with that where you can't actually make a phone call in or out, or you're receiving text messages saying that you've received missed calls from calls that have never actually arrived to you. I would say more than likely that if that's the case, you've probably got an iPhone 8, 8 Plus, X, XS, possibly even 11, all around that particular era of model of iPhone, probably anywhere between an iPhone 7 and an iPhone 12. If you've got a phone between that, more than likely since January 26th, aka Australia Day, your phone has probably done an update, and with that update it has broken what I believe personally may not necessarily be the case. It looks like it's broken VoLTE, which is basically the call protocol that you need to be able to make voice calls. Right now, Telstra are aware of this issue. I'll bring up the information right now. So this here, as of January 29th at 1:30 in the afternoon, Australian Eastern Standard Time, this is what their website currently has. So they've notified, or they've since routed 000 calls to an alternative phone network. It does recommend that they may take up to 1 minute for this to happen. Hopefully, if you do need 000, you can get 000. But also, that was 9 o'clock today, and at 11:30 today, Apple has identified a fix for this issue that will be available in upcoming software updates. So I'll be curious whether or not those particular updates will be happening much swifter compared to normal, where most phone companies usually update their phone once a month, maybe once every 2 months. Being this just broke voice calls on a large variety of popular phones, I'm assuming that should be coming out relatively swifter than 1 month, or at least I certainly hope so. So what can you do in this meantime? There's really not a lot. The issue is bigger than yourself, it is bigger than Telstra, it's bigger than Apple individually. Hopefully together they'll get this solution sorted out and another update pushed out. Being that these phones still have mobile data, then it should be able to receive the most recent update when it finally does eventuate, which would assumably be iOS 16.7.14, where right now it's 7.13. Anyway, we'll see what happens with that. And hopefully, well, what can you do? Potentially take your SIM card out of your current phone, put it into another phone you can get your hands on to at least be able to make voice calls if you want to prioritise voice calls. If you're not too concerned, you can pretty much leave your phone as it is, and hopefully once this update comes out, you'll be able to go from there. Alternatively, you'd be upgrading your phone, which would be in the interest of Apple and Telstra, being they both sell phones and services. So, being if you've got an iPhone 8, I would still potentially update that phone just by the age of it. It is considerably old nowadays, so I'd still probably push towards upgrading. Otherwise, hang tight, and hopefully from there, you'll be able to get your software update. And then once you get that software update, hopefully you're back online and doing exactly what you were previously doing before this all began. Anyway, that's all for now, and I'll see you later. Bye.